Are you tired of the endless cycle of copying and pasting content into WordPress? Do you find yourself spending countless hours on repetitive tasks that drain your energy and creativity? The good news is, automation can help alleviate these burdens. It's a powerful tool that can free you from the mundane and allow you to focus on what truly matters, creating great content and growing your online presence. At its core, an automation script is a small, self-contained program. Think of it as a set of instructions that tells your computer exactly what to do, step by step. This program is designed to handle repetitive tasks for you, taking the manual labor out of your daily routine. It's like having a digital assistant that works tirelessly in the background. Instead of clicking buttons over and over, manually filling out forms or performing the same actions repeatedly, the script handles it all, fast, efficiently, and virtually error-free. It executes commands with precision, ensuring consistency and accuracy in every task. You focus on writing compelling content, crafting engaging stories, and connecting with your audience. The script handles the technical aspects of publishing, ensuring your work reaches the world seamlessly. Imagine the scenario. You need to post 10 articles to your WordPress blog. Normally, you'd have to log into your WordPress dashboard, create a new post for each article, copy and paste the content, format it, add images, and hit the publish button, repeating the same tedious steps 10 separate times. But with a script, you simply run one command, a single line of code that triggers the entire process. And just like that, all your posts are published automatically, without any further manual intervention. This not only saves you a significant amount of time and effort, but also reduces the potential for human error, and lets you manage a busy blog or business site with unparalleled ease and efficiency. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very own automation script, specifically tailored for WordPress. We'll show you 2 beginner-friendly ways to achieve this, providing clear and concise instructions every step of the way. The first method involves using Python, a versatile and widely used programming language known for its readability and ease of use. Alternatively, if you're a Windows user, you can leverage the power of PowerShell, a scripting language built directly into the operating system. Don't worry if you have no prior coding experience. This guide is designed for beginners. Just follow along with our simple step-by-step instructions, and you'll be automating your WordPress tasks in no time. Once you master the art of automation, you'll unlock a world of possibilities. You can schedule posts in advance, automatically pull updates from other sources, and streamline your entire content creation and management workflow. Consider this your first step into a smarter, more efficient digital world, where technology empowers you to achieve more with less effort. Before diving into the exciting world of scripting and automation, let's take a moment to ensure your computer is properly equipped and ready for the journey ahead. Setting up your development environment is a crucial first step. To write, test, and run your code effectively, you'll need to install some essential and freely available tools. These tools will form the foundation of your scripting workflow, allowing you to interact with WordPress and automate various tasks. If you've decided to use Python as your scripting language, the first step is to download the latest version from the official Python website, python.org. Make sure you grab the version that's compatible with your operating system. During the installation process, it's absolutely vital that you check the box labeled Add Python to Path. This adds Python to your system's environment variables, allowing you to run Python commands from any location in your terminal or command prompt. Once Python is installed, you'll need to install the requests library. This library simplifies the process of making HTTP requests, which are essential for interacting with web services like the WordPress API. You can install it by opening your command line or terminal and running the command. If you prefer using PowerShell, you're in luck. PowerShell is already seamlessly integrated into Windows 10 and Windows 11. This means there's no need for any additional installation steps. It's ready to go right out of the box. To confirm that PowerShell is readily available, simply search for PowerShell in your Windows Start menu. If it appears in the search results, you're all set to start using it for your scripting endeavors. When working with PowerShell, we'll be leveraging the built-in command. This powerful command allows you to easily send HTTP requests and receive responses, making it ideal for interacting with the WordPress REST API. Beyond the scripting language itself, you'll also need a capable text editor to write and manage your code. A good text editor can significantly improve your coding experience. Visual Studio Code, often referred to as VS Code, is an excellent and completely free option that's widely used by developers. It's a versatile editor packed with features to enhance your productivity. VS Code is well suited for both Python and PowerShell scripting. It offers features like syntax highlighting, which uses different colors to distinguish code elements, making it much easier to read and identify potential errors in your code. Investing the time to set up the right tools can make the entire scripting process significantly smoother, more efficient, and ultimately, more enjoyable. A well-configured environment reduces friction and allows you to focus on the task at hand. With your tools properly installed and configured, you're now fully equipped and ready to embark on your automation journey. You've laid the groundwork for streamlining your WordPress tasks and boosting your productivity. Now that we have our development environment in place, let's shift our focus to a critical aspect of interacting with WordPress, ensuring a secure connection. We'll explore the best practices for protecting your data and credentials. To let your script post to WordPress, you need a secure way to log in. Never put your main password in a script. Instead, use WordPress application passwords. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Users, your profile, and find the application password section. Name your password, like My Publishing Script, and click Add New Application Password. Copy the generated password and save it somewhere safe. It's shown only once. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new one. This password lets your script publish posts without exposing your main login. In the next step, we'll store this password securely so your script can use it. Let's keep your credentials safe and organized. Now organize your project for security and clarity. Create a folder called WordPress Automation for your script and files. Store sensitive info, your site URL, username and application password, as environment variables, not in your script. On Windows, search, edit the system environment variables, click environment variables, and add 3 WP_URL, WP_user, and WP_password. Enter your site address, username, and the application password you saved. This keeps your secrets out of your code and follows security best practices. Restart your editor or terminal so your script can access these variables. Now you're ready to write your first automated post. Alright, let's dive into the heart of our project. We're going to write a Python script that will handle the entire process of publishing a post to your WordPress site automatically. This script will be the engine that drives our content creation and distribution. To begin, open your favorite text editor. This could be Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, or any other editor you're comfortable with. Now create a new file and save it with a descriptive name like inside your project folder. This file will house all the Python code we're about to write. Make sure it's in a location that's easy to access and manage. Here's the code you'll use. I'll walk you through each section to explain what it does. Feel free to copy and paste this code into your file. We'll break it down piece by piece so you understand the logic behind it. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. These libraries provide pre-built functions that simplify tasks like making web requests and encoding data. We'll import and. These are essential for interacting with the WordPress API and handling authentication. Next, we'll retrieve our WordPress credentials from environment variables. This is a secure way to store sensitive information like your WordPress URL, username, and password without hard-coding them directly into the script. We'll use to access these variables. And now let's construct the API endpoint URL. This is the specific address on your WordPress site where we'll send our post data. We'll use an F-string to combine with the path to the post endpoint. To authenticate with the WordPress API, we need to encode our username and password using base 64. We'll create a credentials string by joining the username and password with a hyphen. Then we'll encode this string we'll include the encoded credentials in the request headers. This tells WordPress that we're authorized to create a new post. We'll create a dictionary called and add in header with the base 64 encoded token. Now let's define the data for our new post. This will be a Python dictionary containing the title and content of the post. We'll start with a simple title. We'll also add the content of the post and set the status to publish, so it's immediately visible on our site. With all the pieces in place, we can now send the post data to the WordPress API using the method. We'll pass the API URL, headers, and post data as arguments. After sending the request, we'll check the response status code to see if the post was published successfully. A status code of 201 indicates that a new resource was created. If the status code is 201, we'll print a success message and the URL of the new post. If the status code is anything other than 201, it means something went wrong. In that case, we'll print an error message, the status code, and the response text to help us diagnose the problem. In summary, this script automates the process of publishing posts to your WordPress site. It securely retrieves your credentials, formats the post data, and sends it to the WordPress API. This eliminates the need to manually log in and create posts through the WordPress dashboard. Feel free to customize the title and content of the post to match your specific needs. You can also modify the script to include additional features such as adding categories, tags, or custom fields. The possibilities are endless. Prefer not to use Python? PowerShell can do the same job, no extra installation needed. Create a file named in your project folder. Here's the PowerShell script. $WP_URL $NVWP_URL $WP_user $NVWP_user $WP_password $NVWP_password $API URL $WP_URL/WP JSON/WP/v2/posts $credentials $WP_user and status $publish. Convert to JSON try, $response invoke REST method, URI $API URL, method post, headers $headers, body $post data, content type application, JSON, write host. Success, the post was published, write host, view it at $response, link. Catch, write host error, something went wrong. This script works just like the Python version. Read, prepare, and publish your post. Time to run your script and see it in action. Open your terminal, navigate to your project folder and run for Python for PowerShell. If you see a success message, your post is live. Want to automate further? Use Windows Task Scheduler to run your script on a schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly. Set the program to and point to your script file. Now your post can go live automatically, even when you're away. Automation saves you time and keeps your content flowing. You've automated WordPress publishing. Great job. For better error handling, log errors to a file for easy troubleshooting. Keep your scripts and credentials secure. Make your script flexible. Read post titles and content from a text file or spreadsheet to publish multiple posts. Add features like categories, tags, or featured images using the WordPress REST API. Explore bulk publishing by looping through a CSV of posts and scheduling them. The possibilities are endless. Experiment and customize to fit your workflow. Happy automating!